Hey everybody, and welcome to Woodworks by Ace. The point of this channel is to inspire by example. I started woodworking in high school, but got away from it to go to college for engineering and learned HVAC as a trade. Recently, I got back into woodworking in my free time. I started this channel to share my projects with you from start to finish. Whether it be a project around the house, building different furniture pieces, or my current focus of building out my wood shop. I've really found joy in transforming my garage into the perfect organized workshop space. So far, I've tackled everything from a center island workbench to tool organization to even a vacuum system for my small little shop. So feel free to subscribe, ask questions, add comments, and enjoy all my upcoming projects.
Just one little nitpick.
I talk fast. The chica.